What's up, guys? All good? Well, Aurelio is back another time with another great video for you. I decided make this video to tell you briefly the Zarya spacecraft story. I think it is right to do this video to let everybody know about this great project which unfortunately has never seen its realization. Don't forget, I have already talked about the Zarya model kit in a previous video. Go and see it. Before starting to present you this new video, I would like to thank Mr. Giuseppe De Chiara for his kindness in giving me the opportunity to use some of his drawings in this video. Thanks, Giuseppe. You are always the best for me. And your drawings are always perfect, incredible. I like you proceed in this way. The project for the production of the Zarya spacecraft officially started on the January 27, 1985 and was authorized by the Russian Military Industrial Commission in the December 22, 1986. The purpose of this spacecraft was to replace the current Soyuz and have a new vehicle with superior features and performance. The technologies and materials used in producing this spacecraft are still used today. In fact, the Zarya represented a large version of the Soyuz which, with an orbital module, would have allowed mission to be carried out in complete autonomy. Externally, the Zarya spacecraft was covered with heat-resistant tiles, similar to those used on the Buran shuttle many years ago. Internally, the cockpit was fitted out with different equipment which had been tested both on the Buran and Soyuz vehicles. The same seats used in the Buran shuttle ensured that the cosmonauts would be safely escape from the capsule in the event of big issues. An engine module mounted at the rear would have contained all the rockets for orbital maneuver, the communication antenna, all necessary equipment and supplies for the cosmonauts during their stay in orbit. Once the mission has been completed, this module would have been jettisoned before re-entry and was made to disintegrate in the atmospheres, as it would have been the only non-recoverable parts of the spacecraft. The variety of missions foot possible with this spacecraft would have been considerable. Zarya would have been used for low terrestrial orbits as well as high orbits up to 36,000 kilometers in altitude. Zarya would have been used as a shuttle between the Earth and the space station, as a lift boat with or without a crew, and with the possibility of carrying up to 12 cosmonauts, to repair the spacecraft on any type of orbit, to resupply spacecraft in inhabited stations and orbits, up to 36,000 km in altitude. Due to the economic crisis in Russia, the Russian Military Industrial Commission was forced to close this program in the 1989. I tell you, unfortunately. But don't worry, I have the solution for this problem. There are some of these model kits for you. Write me. There is my email at the end of this video. You don't waste the time. Look, it's incredible. Thanks, guys. By the way, in March 2011, the Italian magazine Modellismo Kit came out in the newsstands with these covers. Look, inside the covers there is the Zarya spacecraft, in Italian la capsula Zarya in 1.72, and inside there is a very incredible articles with some image that describes the long process of realization of this spacecraft. 11 pages full of the image and information regarding this incredible model kit. It's finished. 11 page. Unfortunately, I don't think it's possible to find this magazine now, after 10 years. But I'm so proud of this. I'm very satisfaction to watch the image of my model kits, my creation, on this cover of the magazine. So guys, see you next time. Bye.